There's a chair in the back. I'm gonna start over because there's a chair in the back. Dang it. Hi guys, it's Cami. Welcome to the video today. I'm in Los Angeles and I wanted to show you a couple of the outerwear pieces that I got. So I'm going to start with the first one. It is this Guess motorcycle jacket that I absolutely love. First of all, it looks very thin, right? It's actually deceiving. It's got this lining inside that keeps me very warm. I can wear this jacket to the grocery store and keep cold in the freezer aisle. I can wear this jacket to the grocery store and keep warm in the freezer aisle. I can also wear this jacket to the movie theaters. They like to keep the air on in the theaters because there's a lot of people, but this jacket does a trick. It keeps me warm. It takes care of all of my worries. I don't have to be cold in this jacket ever. It looks really cute going out at night. I would wear it over a simple body conscious dress like this one, and the booties are from Target. But this jacket is so versatile. You could wear it on a night out in this outfit. You could also wear it with jeans, a tank top. You could also wear it with a t-shirt. It's very casual, but it's still very cute and it gives you that little bit of edge. What I really like about it is it has the tweed sparkle factor. Super stylish. Moving on to the jacket in this video that I want to highlight as one of my favorite outerwear pieces. This long denim jacket is from Forever 21. It's one of my favorite jackets. I wear it all the time, like literally all the time. A good layering piece. You could put the sweater underneath it. You could put a couple of layers of t-shirts and a collared shirt underneath it. You could even just wear it with skirts. You could wear it with jeans. You could wear it with shorts. It's incredibly versatile, and especially here in Los Angeles, a denim jacket is sort of a must. It definitely fits with my style. I love it because it's longer and it covers like the back of your body. It covers your arms. I always like to roll up my sleeves to 3/4 length just so I can have like my other shirt like peek underneath or something like that. I love this jacket so much. Here I'm wearing it with high-waist black jeans that are also from Forever 21. I'm also wearing it with a cropped sport top. This is from Abercrombie & Fitch, and I'm also just wearing some shoes from Target. The shoes are rain boots. I'll link those down below. It doesn't rain so much in LA, but I still just love the way the style looks. I absolutely love wearing a denim jacket all the time. But it's true, but I don't want to say that. Alright guys, those are the outfits that I wanted to show you that had my favorite new outerwear pieces in it and some older outerwear pieces in it. I hope that you were inspired. Also let me know any other kind of style outfits. That you would want to see, and I will catch you next time. That's not gonna be the outro. Hold on. Okay. Please hit the subscribe button if you would love to see the next video I have coming up. That bell up there is a notification. It lets you know when my new video comes up. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you later.